I don't want to be rude.
You're talking about our spray tan, but the line of your foundation.
That's what I just said. This is great for bloopers 2022.
Take it down. When your heart give me Madonna drama. Take it out. Do it again. Do it again. Follow our playlist Workout by the Fitness Marshall. We update it every single week to get your pussy poppin'. Don't make me beg you to buy our activewear. That's pathetic. Boys don't cry until they see how hot you are in our mesh tee.
It's about damn time you bought our clothes.
Yes, that's a good one. All right. 4, 3, Caleb, fuck off. It's about damn time you bought some of our active booty and you followed us on Spotify. Workout by the Fitness Marshall. It's our new, it's our brand new playlist. It's not a brand new playlist. It's our all new workout playlist. It's guaranteed to help you.
Get through it.
It's our skip free playlist. It's gonna have you. It's a playlist that's gonna let you focus on your.
It's a great playlist.
Just shut the f up.
Did I make you nervous?
No, you just like make me angry.
Wow.
Sexual way?
No, in an infuriating, annoying way. HR. I hate the outdoors.
Wow, wow.
Well, this keeps fucking moving to Allison, and I don't know why.
I'm so pretty. She's the star.
All right.
What's the first move?
Go in 3.
What's the first move?
What's the first move?
What's the first move?
I need to work at a new.
What's the first move? What's the first move? Is it recording?
All right, what's the first move?
What's the first move? What's the first move?
It's crazy what I do for you to buy some of our active booty.
Cover frames.
You were wrong.
No, I wasn't. Cover frames.
Got there at the end.
You're telling me I'm wrong? Like my white hands? Love that. Okay, it's not that bad. It's just, no, it's pretty bad.
Today we've got Nabor Styles with us, and she's gonna help us get in our feelings. Step punch. Me, I'm sorry. I can't hear. Here we go. Today we've got Nabor. We're doing great.
Hi. Hello.
Official video by Anita, and you can click here. Click right here to do what you and click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. If you want to do 60-minute and 30-minute sweat sessions, 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions, we do them every single week, and I'll never be able to say sweat session.
This is insane.
Here we go.
The way these bugs are obsessed with me. I'm a little chilly.
Yeah, the cover frame is whatever you grab from me. From this.
But it won't be for long, you'll see.
All right, now I'm recording.
How much was this?
All right, just
$300.
$50.
What is it?
It's just to make sure everything is color accurate. And if you want to get anything, are you okay?
A bug went on my nose.
Oh no. If you want to donate to Allison's bug removal from her nose,
I gotta go home.
if you want to get Allison tick medication, it's crazy.
Can I stand up?
Do 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions with us. We do them every single week, and they never expire. You never want to touch me, and now's the time.
Hotcakes.
But what'd you say? Hot cake? Oh. All right.
Get this off.
It's recording.
Get this off.
Get this off. Get this off.
All right, ready?
Burp.
3.
Bop.
3.
Meow.
3.
Meow.
Oh no, hits.
3.
Meow.
3.
All right, here we go. You're recording.
Oh, I don't give a wasn't in it.
Right on set.
Shut the up. Oh, yeah. Is that recording?
If we go up.
All right.
This isn't right. It's not right.
Spotify playlist Workout by the Fitness Marshall. Wait. You know the Body Shop is the name of a youth group that I used to go to?
Yes, JC Body Shop.
We know. We're from the same town.
Did you know?
Haley and I are on our way to the mental health hospital. So let's
Stop driving us.
Okay, back up.
She's coming.
click right here to watch the official video.
Okay, but the whole
We
point
just
is that
fucking restocked everything.
the restocking is like the #1 thing.
Right, I didn't say that at all.
Not at all,
Right.
and I think it's like the only thing you should say.
Right.
I
Yeah.
have to pee.
Okay. Haley, she keeps saying something, I know it.
There's a hummingbird.
Really? Wasn't that our song, Hummingbird?
No, literally no. You always say that, and no, that's not true.
I think of you when I see
No, I think you liked that song. That's not. I have to go. I have to go. I can't.
And then, there we go. Okay.
I'm gonna
Don't
put your hand in, I'll put my hand in your back.
Do
and
not.
you'll be my ventriloquist dummy.
Do not.
Thanks for watching the video. Go to activebooty.com to buy everything you see here. And if you want to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions.
I'm sorry.
3, 2, 1.
No, Caleb, hold on.
Are we
Starting at the side?
Do we start that way or do we
No,
turn?
we get on our surfboard. Stop
That
screaming.
was the question.
Here we go. Hey surfers! We're gonna get on our surfboard and surf to the side! 3, 2, 1. Hey surfers! We're gonna get on our surfboard and surf! So step to the side!
I don't know when it comes.
2, 1. Hey surfers! Cowabunga! It's time to get on your surfboard and ride the wave! Hey surfers! We're gonna ride the wave! It's Cowabunga time! What do you think we do?
I think that we need you.
I think they can join the team!
Okay, now everyone say your favorite customer.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
One. 3, 2, 1. I'm feeling slutty. Mommy don't know daddy's getting hot at the Active Booty Shop.
Get on me, I'm gonna kill you.
It was holy water. If you want to listen to this song, you can't because they didn't pay us. But if you want to do 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions with us, you can do them with us on our Booty Army membership, on our Booty Army Elite membership. Which?
Okay. I think that we have hit the max.
I go to the doctor.